Hey folks, this is Lon with the Fish Mountain Project. What was that? It's been a little while since I've posted a video. I don't know what it is. It's been a little bit of a, I want to say a slump, but I've had a hard time videoing and wanting to create videos while I go out fishing. You know, recently it's been more, I went to Idaho, did some fly fishing for trout, had a lot of fun, but just kind of wanted to fish and not make the video, which was great. Had fun with my brother, catching fish. You know, I've been out a few times, and I have, brought the GoPro and tried to video stuff. Hooked up with a long nose gar last week, which is pretty fun. I got a little bit of video. I lost him. That was the easy release on the gar. That was a big gar though. Didn't get a picture of him. He was too long to scoop up with my net, and I was a little hesitant to want to get near his mouth. So really I just, let him loose alongside and let him go. But I'm out here on the James River, threw some bait in the water, just gonna see if I can catch some catfish. But I've got kind of funny current, funny wind. I'm not really liking it. I think I need to, I don't know why I'm getting spun around. It's kind of strange. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully catch something. Fish on there. Nope. Did he let go? Ah, now he let go. Oh no, did he break off? Dang it. You're kidding me. Oh my goodness. So I just barely hooked up with my first fish, and he busted off my braid. 30-pound braid. Oh dang it, I hate that. Pretty sure he got it down there wrapped around some brush on the bottom. Shoot. got another hook up. This guy's actually rolling around on the surface. Interesting. See if I can keep him up on the surface, keep him from going low into the brush. He seems pretty good size. Don't get down there. Don't. Stay up, stay up. There you go, there you go, there you go. Closer to the boat here. Keep them up. Come on. Yeah, pretty nice looking blue cat is what it looks like. Oh, very nice fish. Oh man, took a dive. Whoa, 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 easy, easy, easy. Woo. I just got to get him in before he... does something crazy. There you go, here you go. Take it easy. Take it easy, bud. That's it. Attaboy. Whoa. It's not a bad little fish. He was a fighter. Very nice, clean looking catfish. Nice blue. I'm gonna unhook him, let him swim. All right, here, buddy. Let's see if I can help you out now. Pretty nice hookup. Might get tangled up back there. Again. Very nice. I like that guy. He's a pretty one. Ooh. There he goes. Had some good fight in him. Makes me feel a little bit better after losing that first one, but still kind of sad I lost that. All right, let's get some bait back in the water. You know, a couple weeks back I had my brother here, took him out fishing, you know, expecting to show him some awesome James River catfish. Got my brother here from Utah. He only catches little teeny trout. Well, he fishes for little teeny trout out west. I don't know if you've ever caught anything though, have you?
Once.
Well, once. He might have caught a fish once. So we're gonna try and hook him up with some real fish out here. Going for catfish this morning. And totally got skunked. We had some nibbles on our rods, but just never hooked up with anything. Which always, you know, kind of bums you out. Want to show someone a good time. Go figure, you know, this is one of the first times I've been fishing since, and I hook up with a pretty good sized blue cat for this area right away. You just can't tell when you're gonna hook up with them. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, why don't you check out some of the other videos we've got on our channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and subscribe.